हेलो स्टूडेंट्स,
अरे टेंशन नहीं लेने का, अपुन है ना।
वेलकम टू माय योर चैनल्स thestudyhub.com। मैं उम्मीद है आप लोग सब अच्छे हो एंड योर प्रिपरेशन इज गोइंग ऑन वेरी वेल। टुडे आई शो यू द न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ
ये क्या है?
which will be important for first semester, and I hope I will complete this numerical problems just 2 videos, and also all the students who are absolutely can see the video free of cost कि यहाँ पर आप लोग देख सकते हैं फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री और मैथ absolutely free of cost।
इसीलिए समझ रहे हो समझ रहे हो ना, बस यही है।
studyhub.com। So I will start the video. Let's start। Deposit 54 gram the 54 gram of aluminium, जिसका atomic mass 27 at cathode, okay। So what is the question? It is from electrolysis. The first question is that what is the quantity of electricity required? What is the quantity of electricity required to deposit 54 gram of aluminium 27 at cathode? So what is the quantity of electricity required to deposit? कितना electricity जरूरत है वो you have to calculate. What do you see? What in answer, right? In this case, you have to find out the equivalent weight. That is, कितना होगा? This and इसका valence कितना? 3. तो equivalent weight of aluminium equals to 27 by 3 equals to 9. Okay, 27 by 3, 9 gram. Clear? 27 given, and atom is the valence is 3, that is the 9. So what do we know? The 1 gram equivalent, what do you know? According to the law, the 1 gram equivalent of any cathode में deposit होगा कितने के लिए? Deposited by what? 1 gram equivalent deposited with the passing of electricity कितना? By 1 farad of current, by the passage of 1 Faraday current. Therefore, you have to find out 9 grams equivalent deposited by what? 9 Faraday. 1 into 9, 1 gram equivalent deposited by 1 Faraday. So 9 gram deposited by 1 into 9 Faraday. 9 gram deposited 9 Faraday, and what you have, what they want, 54 gram of equivalent. Tell me, 1 gram equivalent means 9 gram. Equivalent weight of aluminium, it converted in gram, that is the 1 gram equivalent equals to 9 gram. So it will be not 9. Clear? This is the mistake every students do. This is the mistake. The 1 gram equivalent equals to 9 grams. The 1 gram equivalent deposited by 1 Faraday of current passing through this, that is 9 gram of deposited by 1 Faraday. In that case, you have to deposit कितना gram? 54 gram. That is 1 gram 54 gram deposited by, you have to 5 कितना? Tell me 54 by 9 equal to 6 Faraday. This is the answer. So 6 Faraday or 1 Farad equals to what? 96,500 coulomb. 96,500 coulomb. So that is, you can write it or into 6. Okay, you can write it. You can convert it, the Faraday, into coulomb. Okay, coulomb. Now what we know about the formula from out here, what is the quantity of electricity required? What is the quantity of electricity required? The quantity of electricity you have to know, that is the 6 Faraday. That is this coulomb of electricity you have to pass to deposit 54 gram of aluminum at cathode. Clear? Do it. Now I will do the second. Clear? Okay. Next, question number 2. Question 2. How many, write the questions. How many amperes of electricity, how many amps of electricity, okay, that is current, how many ampere of current, clear, of current is required to produce, 0.406 gram of copper in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes. Okay, approve this now. In 30 minutes from copper sulfate solution, from CaSO4 solution, copper sulfate solution. This is the question, and given copper atomic mass 63.5. It is given. So how many amperes of current is required? How many amperes of current is required to produce 0.406 gram of copper in 30 minutes from copper sulfate solution? Clear? Is the question? Same thing to produce at a gram of copper in 30 minutes. 30 minutes is going on. So you have to deposit this gram of copper, and from the copper sulfate solution, time is given, amount is given, electric current is required. Same thing, in the same process, you have to find out what, see, equivalent weight of copper. You have to find out. Same process. Equivalent weight of copper कितना होगा? 63.5 वैसे से कितना 2. Clear? So what will be the answer? This is 3175. Okay, this is equivalent weight of copper. निकल गया. Same process. Then what we have done in the previous example, in same process you have to do it. That means 31.75 attogram of copper liberated. Attogram of copper is liberated by passing of 1 Faraday of current, 1 Faraday. That means घुरे लेखो 31.75. This amount of copper, attogram of copper deposited. Attogram copper, I'm writing in short, liberated by the passage of, by passing passage of 1 Faraday. Just like again the previous sums, in case 1 Faraday you can write 96,500. Yeah, you can write 96,500 coulomb. Okay, or this same thing, whatever you can. So you have to deposit what? 0.406. So 0.406 के लिए कितना amount of current you have to ampere you have to required. That means out here 0.406 gram copper liberated by passage of what? Calculate it and the answer will be easily. That means 96,500 by 31.75 into 0.406. Whatever the answer, calculate it and write the answer. Clear? It will be most probably 1, 2, 3, 4 coulomb. This is the answer. Yes? No? At coulombs, passage of this coulomb. How many amperes? How many amperes of current? And this is this gram copper liberated by the passage of at the coulomb. So what is the relation between? We know what? We know coulomb equals to ampere into what? Ampere into second. We know. And you have to, how many amperes of current? Amperes equals to what? Coulomb by what? Second by time. Here given what? This coulomb 1334 second, it is given 30 minutes. It is given 30 minutes. The 30 minutes means 30 into 60 seconds. Okay, and calculate it and write the answers. That is the 0.69. Okay, this is ampere. Now, what is the equivalent weight of? You have to find out the equivalent weight. Molecular mass by valency. This is the equivalent weight 31.7 point. That means this gram of copper liberated by passage of 1 Faraday of current. That is the 96,500 coulomb. So you have to deposit this. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 coulombs. You have to find out the coulomb equals to ampere by ampere into second. So ampere you have to find out coulomb by this. Okay. Next, see the problem number 3. So reminded that actually this type of sums may come. This type of sums, not that this sums, not this sum may come, or this type of sums may come. So you have to prepare, go through this type of practice. I have given so many questions and problems in your suggestion. So go through that suggestions and practice it. Okay. So question number 3, 0.7 ampere, 0.75 amperes of electricity is passed. Ampere of electricity is passed জায়গাটা পরিষ্কার আসতে দেখবে through through the aqueous solutions of what? Copper sulfate. Metallic salt. Aqueous solutions of a metallic salt for 45 minutes. For 45 minutes. For 45 minutes. The weights of cathode, the weight of cathode, yeah, is increased. The weight of cathode is increased by 0.662 gram. Clear? Right? Determine the equivalent weight. The equivalent weight of the metal. Again I am discussing 0.75 amps of electricity is passed through the aqueous solutions of metallic salt for 45 minutes. The weight of cathode is increased by 0.662 gram. Determine the equivalent weight of the metal. You have to find out the equivalent weight. Very easy sums. Just first this ampere current passed metallic salt for 45 minutes. तो यहाँ से what is given this and 45 minutes. You have to convert it in second, and weight increased by this. The equivalent weight you have to find out. Very easy. So we know what is know. Q equals to Ct. What do we know? Q equals to C into T. It is very easy. The Q is C into T. What is C? Current 0.75. T का मतलब 45 minutes. The minute का you have to convert it second. 45 into 60 seconds. So it will be 2025. 2025. Clear? 2025 coulomb. Q unit होगा coulomb. This is the coulomb. The Q equals to this coulomb. Then you have to find out equivalent weight. Previous sums में molecular weight, atomic mass you have given. You have to find out the equivalent weight that by the valency. So here only this coulomb and the weight of cathode is increases 0.662 gram. It is given. So what do you know? 2025 coulomb of electricity. At this electricity cause an increase by कितना? Increase. The weight of cathode is increased by this. The cause and increase by this 0.6 gram. 0.662 gram. Clear? You have to find out 2025 coulombs of electricity cause an increase by this. So you have to find out what 96,500 coulomb 1 Faraday. This coulomb of electricity cause an increase by what? So 1 coulomb of electricity cause an increase by this, and this equals to, you have to find out. Then that is 0.662 by 2025 into have to 96500. Clear? And whatever the result, that is 2025 coulombs of electricity cause an increase by attogram, because it is given the weight of cathode is increased by 0.6662 gram. So we have to find out the equivalent weight of the metal. Clear? So calculate it and find the result. Okay, calculate and find the result. And in this last one, you have to remind what is given in the question. You have to find out equivalent weight, or you have to find out the amount of current passed, or you have to find out the what passage of electricity. All you have to find out, and whatever the calculation is there, you have to do yourselves, and that will be the equivalent weight. The right equivalent weight of the metal will be whatever the calculation, do it this, most probably 31 point something aega. Okay, this is the equivalent weight. Clear? So today I have drawn my ends out here. Then in the next video, I have told you earlier that I will complete this video only to this chapter, the numerical problem chapters, only 2 videos. The first video I have discussed that so many important sums, and this type of sums may come in the semester exam, so be ready to practice it, and whatever be the any problem, comment me in my comment box. So I draw my ends out here. Clear? Thank you.